friends, insight number 24. This one is how we choose to go about things matters. So I love this example. If you're cooking something and you're cooking and having fun, the other day my daughter and I were cooking in the kitchen and she was dancing, we had the music playing, and I'm like, oh, those spring rolls are going to taste so good, because she was enjoying herself, and she was how she was going about choosing to work with me in the kitchen, which doesn't happen that often. But when she was choosing to go about it and having fun, it just made everything better. So we were talking about how good the food was going to be. If we go about cooking and we're not angry, frustrated, throwing it together, not enjoying the process, somehow, some way that food just doesn't taste as good. Do you agree? It's a fascinating thing. How we choose to go about everything matters. I know people, and I've said to many people over the years, what you're trying to do has decent intent, but how you're going about it is sort of ruining the intention. So, it's like buying a present for someone and throwing it at them. It doesn't feel good. So how we go about, sometimes I think that we as humans are trying to give mixed messages because we're not being honest with how we're feeling. So how can we be congruent in the action, in how we're going about whatever it is that we're going about? It's really important that we think about the intention behind the action so that they're aligned, that alignment matters. Is that making sense to everybody? And if so, can you challenge me in that and help me see if there's how we go about something doesn't matter? I'm just curious. What do you see?